What up, Condors? It's your boy, Mr. Roberts, here with a little social distancing science. This should have been from Monday, but instead it's coming out on Tuesday, April 21st. Hey, take a second and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss a single exciting episode of social distancing science. Hey, let's get started with a little. We just got two quick things we're going to do today. So we're going to start out with a closer look, polar night and midnight sun. Is it possible to have 24 hours of sunlight or 24 hours of nighttime? Did you know that parts of Earth experience these natural phenomena called polar night and midnight sun? How does this happen? Earth completes one rotation on its tilted axis every 24 hours, causing day and night. Because of the Earth's tilt, the sun may never set or may never rise at certain locations on the Earth. If the Arctic Circle is tilted towards the sun, then areas of the Arctic Circle will experience 6 months of daylight, whereas the sun does not set. This begins when the vernal equinox occurs. When the Arctic Circle experiences midnight sun, our Antarctic Circle experiences polar night. During polar night, the sun does not rise for 6 months because the Antarctic Circle is tilted away from the sun. Once the autumnal equinox occurs, the opposite phenomena occurs in each location. The Arctic Circle will experience polar night, while the Antarctic Circle will experience midnight sun. In the northern hemisphere, polar night and midnight sun can occur in Norway, parts of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Finland, Russia, and Sweden. The only place this occurs in the southern hemisphere is in Antarctica. How do you think living 6 months with 24 hours of sunlight or darkness would affect the human body? Do a little research on this and then talk with your family about it at dinner tonight. Okay, let's go on to our lesson review, Earth's motion around the sun. Okay, can you diagram or write out how does the Earth-Sun system cause the seasonal patterns? Why do we have those seasonal patterns? Then, okay, number 2, which best explains why Earth is colder at the poles than at the equator? Is it because A, the Earth is farther from the sun at the poles than at the equator? B, the Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle? C, Earth's rotation axis is tilted? Or D, Earth's surface is more tilted at the poles than at the equator? This little picture here might help for question number 3. Predict the pattern of the light that will occur on each sheet of paper when the flashlight is turned on. A, the pattern on the vertical paper will be a circle, and the pattern that will appear on the tilted paper will be elongated and spread out. B, the patterns on the papers will change because the light will fluctuate. C, the pattern that will appear on both pieces of paper is the same, a circle of light. D, the pattern that appears on both pieces of paper is the same, elongated and spread out. Hey, if you're not sure, you could always just grab a flashlight and see what happens. Okay, real-world connection. How do you think seasonal change affects your local community's usage of energy? And how do you think animals are affected by seasonal change? Hey, do you need to go back to the probe at the beginning of the lesson and update? Or do you think that your answer at the beginning was correct? Hey, that's all we're doing today. I hope you had a great spring break. I'm really excited to be back at school with you all. And have a great day.